Hi everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. And today I have another delicious, low carb, but the whole family will love it, recipe. And oh yeah, how do you like this? This is me, Lots of Yum for You. We create deliciousness. This is our new apron. I'm trying to get this as merchandise that you can purchase when you're in the kitchen being the #1 house chef, making your own deliciousness. Meanwhile, today we are going to make some delicious chicken lettuce wraps, but we're gonna do this with a delicious, authentic taco seasoning. This is going to be amazing. So it was gonna be a chicken lettuce wrap. We're gonna have a variety of different toppings that you can put on this. But meanwhile, we're gonna dive into marinating the meat and starting to create this delicious dish. Okay everyone, I'm back. And what we're going to do is I have these boneless, skinless chicken breasts and olive oil with a brush. And then I have my chicken seasoning, and you can use whatever chicken seasoning you like. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to season up our chicken. This is boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So what I'm going to do is place my chicken on a separate plate, spread out, and I'm going to season the chicken front and back. Okay, and then I'm going to place the chicken in this bowl and let this chicken sit here for about 20 to 30 minutes. Or you can also let it sit it in the bowl and cover your bowl, and then set your bowl in the fridge for overnight marinating. Okay, so I'm gonna sprinkle the chicken, try to cover as much as possible. And you can use a seasoning of choice. This is just the seasoning that I chose. And now I'm gonna do the other side of the chicken. And like I said, you can use the seasoning of your choice. Some people may prefer just to use a little garlic powder, a little pink salt, and pepper. Totally up to you. And I'm gonna set the bowl off to the side and let it marinate in the seasoning for approximately around 30 minutes. And then we're gonna cook the chicken. So I'll be right back with cooking the chicken. We're back, and at the stove, I'm going to turn on the fire to a medium heat. Okay, there we go. And this oil, I'm going to oil the pan. Prepare our pan to get ready to put our chicken on the pan and pan fry our chicken. Okay, as the pan warms up, I'm preparing to go ahead and place the chicken in the pan. And then what I'm going to do is take some oil and just put it on top, because I know when we turn the chicken over, the chicken's going to need to have a little bit of oil in it. Okay. And as you cook your chicken, we're going to let the chicken brown. I also like to put a top on it. It helps the chicken cook through faster. And we're going to start off right now with cooking this chicken with the top on it for about 5 minutes. Okay. This is what our chicken looks like after 5 minutes. Browning on one side. That's what we want. And we turn it over so we can brown it on the other side. Okay, let's turn the chicken over, and we're going to cover it again for another. I'll check on it in like 4 minutes just to make sure that it's as brown as I want it to be. I'll put the top over it and cook it with the top on for 4 minutes. Okay, our timer just went off, and it has been 4 minutes for our chicken. So I'm going to take the top off and turn off the fire. Perfect. Look at that. Cooked to perfection. It's cooked all the way through because of the top on it. But we also have our chicken with a nice crispy outside. Okay. I'm removing our chicken. Here's our chicken in a pan, and then we're going to go over to the preparation area, and I'll show you how to chop up the chicken and prepare this to make our delicious lettuce, chicken, and avocado wraps. Okay, everyone, we are in the preparation area. I'm going to remove all this chicken from the pan. And get ready to chop some of our chicken up for our lettuce wraps. Okay, so we're getting ready to cut up some chicken. I'm not going to cut it all up. I think you guys already know. This chicken is nice, juicy, and delicious. It's not overcooked. I'm going to taste it. It looks very good. Okay, so this is enough chicken right now that is cut up. It's nice and juicy. And I'm going to take our chicken and prepare some lettuce wraps. Here I have some sides, and here's our lettuce wrap shells. I'm going to take some of this chicken and put it on each one of these. And you can, put as much chicken as you like. Totally up to you. I like this because you can make your own. So here we go. And we have sides like, I know I'm gonna put some bacon on this one and a couple of pieces of avocado. And then I have one I'm gonna put some onions on, some tomatoes, and, that might be too many tomatoes, and then a little bit of cilantro. So this is totally up to you, your preference. I'll put some cilantro on here, tomatoes, and again, more avocado. You can make your own sides up, however you want to do it. And then just tomato and onions on this one. And there we have it, folks. You can make your own tacos slash lettuce wraps and put whatever toppings you want on this. So it's time to do the deliciousness test. This is a quick and easy meal, and you can use this to make a taco bar, or you can make a taco bar, and you can also have lettuce to use for those that are on low carb. You can use the lettuce wraps and have a lettuce wrap bar with a variety of different sides that people can help themselves with. This is great for parties and great for family dinners. And then I had also chopped up some avocado. So now it's time to do the deliciousness test. They all look good, so I can't wait. Okay, everyone, I am ready to do the deliciousness test. And we have 4 different delicious, low carb, but delicious lettuce wrap or lettuce wrap tacos. It's up to you, your preference, however you want to call it. But I'm going to take a bite and do the deliciousness test. All right, let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh my goodness, too many flavors to choose from, but I am going to pick one right now. And I'm going to pick the one with bacon because I love bacon. Delicious. Chicken, bacon. Let's see, on this one, add avocado. This is amazing. You can also add hot sauce, salsa, whatever you want. Some people, I had a couple of guests add ranch dressing. I don't know how come ranch is so popular, but they added the ranch dressing and they loved it. So while you're home and hey, working on losing some weight or going low carb or just eating a little bit more healthy and getting away from a lot of bread, this particular recipe is amazing. You're going to get all the deliciousness you would of a taco in a shell, but you're just getting the lettuce wrap instead, which is a lot healthier. So again, thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys again in my next video where we create more deliciousness for you and your family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and bye for now.